What is red light therapy? Red light therapy is a process where LEDs are used to deliver red and near infrared light. Red light provides wavelengths of light similar to sunlight, but without the heat or the UV rays. What I'm trying out today is from HigherDose. This is their red light face mask. This is the controller. Then you have your different adapters for whatever country you're in. Have the goggles. If you have sensitivity, they do include these, but it's not required to wear the goggles. This was gifted, but this is not a sponsored video. It is really nice and flexible. This is medical grade silicone. All right, so I went ahead and put the straps on it. I have charged it. Okay, so this just goes between your ears, or yeah, on the other side of your ears. And we're gonna hook that. So there's Velcro there, and then this one comes down and Velcros to that. So here we are, we're all set. But it doesn't feel tight, close to your face, but it doesn't feel heavy. So when I was looking, it says that you can walk around, you can either lay and relax, do chores, which I agree. This, you can extend the cord and then you could just put this in your pocket. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this on. Power, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, that's brighter than I thought it was gonna be. And then you can flip it to say 10 or 20 minutes. I'm gonna do 10 minutes and this will automatically shut off. So I think I'm gonna just close my eyes and take this time to relax. But as I'm relaxing, I will tell you a little bit about the product. You want to gently cleanse and dry your face before using the mask. You don't want to apply any skincare except for if you're using one that they particularly sell for this. I do not have that. The claims of this is to reduce redness on your face, boost mood, promote healing, regenerate cells, it's glowing skin. And this does have 66 LED bulbs, and then there's 2 LEDs per bulb, so that's 132. There is 630 nanometers of red light and 830 nanometers of near infrared lights. Red light is the wavelength to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, plump the skin, and gives a glow. The infrared is what's invisible to the eye, and it gets deeper into the layers of skin, and that boosts collagen and elastin. The price of this is $349, but there is a 1-year warranty. So if you break that down, I know you're not using it every single day, but if you break it down, it's 96 cents per day. There is a 120-day return policy. All right. So now I did feel a little bit sticky, maybe on my forehead, but barely. So no sweating or anything like that. And I'm going through menopause, so, you know, that's important. They do say for optimal results, use this minimum 10, maximum 20 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week. And it does say that if you use it more, you're not going to like get added benefits. So that's the optimal time. And you right afterwards, then you can apply your skincare. So very comfortable. And yeah, I'll play around with like the goggles, see what I think about that. Have you ever heard of red light? Have you been interested in trying it? What is your thoughts? Make sure you are subscribed because I will be doing an update. I'll have to see how it's going. I don't know. Can you see a glow already? But I'll have to see, 2 or 4 weeks. I'll do an update. So make sure that you are subscribed if you love all things beauty and fashion. And yeah, let's just look and feel the best that we can, no matter what our age is. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to HigherDose for sending this out so that I can try it. Super excited. Thank you so much. And let's have a chat down in the comments about red light. or anything else you want to.